What's up, everybody? One, two, three. Everybody, Stephen the Lightspeed here, and today we're going to talk about a new product for your 3D printer. If you're anything like me, you got tons of rolls of filament laying everywhere, and keeping it dry and keeping it clean are a challenge. A couple weeks ago, I'm on Twitter and I come across a post from Polyalchemy. Polyalchemy is a manufacturer of filament that makes Polyalchemy Elixir. They've been gone for a little while. Last I heard, they rolled their doors up and decided not to make filament anymore. Nothing was wrong. They just didn't want to do it anymore. And Polyalchemy kind of went away. I also heard that they sold their machines to Printed Solid. I don't know if that's true, but that's kind of the rumor that I heard. And recently, the rumor mill in the 3D printing community started saying that Polyalchemy was coming back. If you haven't seen it before, it's a great product. They come in all kinds of crazy silk colors. This spool will run you about $29 for a 750 gram spool of the Elixir blend. So that's who Polyalchemy is. They went away for a while, sold their filament making machines off, and my understanding is they are now back in business. But when I was looking on the internet, or when I was looking on Twitter, and I came across this post from Polyalchemy, I saw this thing that said limited time. If you order today and you order 4 spools of our Polyalchemy Elixir, we will throw in a vacuum sealing for your filament for free. Well, naturally, I was intrigued by it. I clicked on the link and I went and checked it out. And this is what it is. Like food saver bags, I guess is what I call them. You can see the little blue dot right here. That's where it pulls its vacuum from, and they're see-through on the front, so you can see what's inside of them. I live in Arizona. There is not a lot of moisture in Arizona. However, one thing I do have a challenge with is dust. There is dust on everything. I'll leave a spool of filament on the printer for a day and come back, and I can see the dust across the top of the filament. So a product like this appeals to me because I keep hundreds of filament bags. For whatever reason, I don't throw them away almost never. And I keep all the desiccant packs, and I make sure that my filament is almost always put in bags. Even if it's left on the printer, I'll put a bag over it. But that's neither here nor there. I like an idea of a resealable bag, so I don't have my closet full of all these reusable bags that frankly I probably will never use, but I keep them anyways. So today, my Polyalchemy order came from Printed Solid, by the way. I don't know if Printed Solid has a deal with them to do distribution. I'm not totally sure. It did take a little bit longer than I expected. I mean, especially for Printed Solid, it's usually pretty quick. This took a little while. But anyways, I got my 4 spools of Polyalchemy today, and I got the vacuum bags for the filament. And let me tell you, I was really impressed with it. I don't do a lot of videos on products. I don't do a lot of videos, period. But I think this one's kind of worth looking at because this really is the future, I think, of storing your filament. I mean, you see guys like Joel Telling, he's got walls of filament that he leaves out. And I guess that's okay because, PLA is not super hygroscopic, or some people say at all. I don't really know. But I know if you have carbon fiber, I know if you have nylon, I know if you have PETG, and I have all 3 of those here that, you need to keep it dry, you need to keep it clean, and sealing it is the best way to do that. And most people do not pull vacuum and on their filament. So you go through all the trouble of drying it, you use it, and then you put it back into a loose bag and hope that it stays dry. It's not going to. So this is kind of a unique solution, I think, that could prevent you. You could dry it, hopefully one time, and then reseal it in this bag, and it will stay that way until you go to use it again. But this is basically what the bags do. You take one of those bags and you put this is a roll of carbon fiber, blue carbon fiber from Atomic Filaments, and this is what they're known for, is this product. They're carbon fiber PETG, and this one just so happened today, come in the mail also today, and the bag was broke on it, which is, it happens. So I thought, well, this is a good opportunity to try out one of these bags. And check this out, guys. I mean, you can hear we all know what a tight bag on a spool of filament sounds like. This is what the vacuum looks like. And it does need a cord. I thought it was battery operated. It is not battery operated, but basically you need the cord, and then you just stick it right on that little blue dot, and it sucks to it, and you walk away and let it do its thing. You're supposed to take out most of the air, and it does come with these little clips to help you seal the bag better. But at any rate, this worked fantastic. I am super happy with it, and the fact that I got it for free with 4 rolls of Polyalchemy Elixir, which is a filament that I like anyways, it's just a win-win for me. So I thought I would take you guys on the website. We'll take a look at the product listing on the website, and then we can talk about it a little bit more. That they have all their filaments. By the way, they have sample packs, so for $44 you can get a sample of pretty much all their filaments. But you can see that they have a lot of very, very unique colors, and they're all silk PLA. But this is where the sealer is at. It's called the AIRLOCK vacuum or filament vacuum sealing system. And this is basically what I got for free here, is this, the Nano Vacuum Pump and AIRLOCK Bag Bundle. It is $39.95, which, you know, I have to ask myself, would I have paid that anyways? The answer is probably. I mean, I wasn't looking for this product, so I probably would have never actually bought it. But knowing what I know now, it is totally worth $39.95, in my opinion. Now, it only comes with 12 bags, and I have hundreds of rolls of filament. I need more, and I just thought, you know what, little by little, I'm just going to keep buying bags from them, and little by little, I'm going to replace all of the, you know, half-torn, you know, some are clear, some are black, you know, all the different varieties of bags that I have, and hopefully get a good assortment of these resealable bags. And they'll suit my needs. I don't think I ever have more than 12 or maybe 12 open at one time, so maybe I don't need a lot more. Maybe I need another 4 or 5 of them. I don't know. I'll probably buy another 12, but for $39.95 you can get the pump, the cord, and the 12 bags, and I think that that's a pretty reasonable deal. They fit a full roll, a full kilogram in there, and there's room to spare, and that little pump blew me away. I couldn't believe that it pulled every drop of air out of that thing. I mean, it was pretty amazing. Every time I use it, you know, I'll take it off the printer and I will seal it back up and put it on the shelf. So anyways, I appreciate everybody watching this video. All 5 of you, you're awesome. And hopefully we can get the word out, and hopefully you guys can go to Polyalchemy and check this product out for yourself. I have no affiliation. There is no links or kickbacks. I don't even know who owns Polyalchemy, frankly. But I just thought it was a really neat product, unique, and I think that it's worth us taking a look at. So I'll put a link down in the description, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.